Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie if you guys are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a bag review, another video from my little bag review series. So excited because this is one of my favorite bags currently and one that has been super popular for 2023. I swear I was swiping on TikTok and I saw James Charles had the exact same bag. So you know, we're twinning, but it is basically the silver diesel bag. I'm pretty sure this is called the 1DR bag or something, like Ding Dong Bao in Chinese. So popular. I think like last year, like end of last year, I saw a girl I follow on Instagram. She had like the diesel bag and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. Like, I mean, they were just making a comeback end of last year, beginning of this year. And I got this when I saw it on Essence, like, you know, they had stock, so I decided to pick it up. Now they don't. Like, I swear I saw Essence restock this bag again recently, but I think it's sold out already, which I'm not surprised. It's so popular, all the rage right now. But this is the 1DR bag. Let me just read the yellow version's description, but this is basically the diesel 1DR bag. It is a structured buffed leather top handle bag in silver. It's got the fixed carry handle, adjustable and detachable shoulder strap, which I have, I didn't put it on. Enameled logo hardware at face, fold over flap with magnetic press stud closure, patched pocket at interior, and it's leather. So we love that. Let me get the strap. All right, so it's got the strap, but I just don't know why I don't want to put it on. And also, like, I just don't think this bag will look good with the strap. So got the strap, but I don't really use it. But you can purchase this bag off of Essence, Farfetch, you know, all these retailers, or you can get it off of Diesel or a Diesel store. So I did get warned that, like, you know, Diesel as a brand and just this bag in general, the Ding Dong Bar is a trend, is a fad, but we all know fashion comes and goes. Who knew in 2015 that the Prada Re-Edition 2000 was gonna be back in stock? Like, I don't know, but if it goes out of style, it's gonna come back in style. So if you like it, buy it. So I bought it and it is so nice, guys. I do have a warning for the silver though. Like, it is like silver, not plated, coated, colored. So you really have to be careful with like these gold and silver bags. I'm pretty sure like Prada does a lot of these metallic bags, but it's like coated, right? So you have to be careful and make sure that there's no scratches because, you know, the silver might scratch off. That's like one warning about these metallic bags. I have so many black bags. Like, if I open this closet right now, it's just gonna be black bags. And I just wanted to change. And you guys know how obsessed I am with silver. So I had to get the silver version of this bag. Adorable. I'm careful with my bags either way. But yeah, I just have to be cautious with this bag because I need to make sure that, you know, there's no scratches. And I swear I did like a mini scratch on this already, but it's really fine. I just want to protect it at all costs because she's so cute. Yeah, so I mean, that's just the case with the silver one. I think they have a gold one as well, but it's so beautiful. So I'm really okay with this trade-off. I like wearing it as like a shoulder bag, like, you know, like this, because it's just like so cute. It's giving like big Y2K vibes. Like, it can fit a lot. It can fit your phone. Like, an iPhone 13 is fine. I don't know about the pros, but you can fit a phone, you can fit a wallet, card holder, keys, lipstick, lip gloss, powder packed, eye drops. It's not an odd shape, so you can definitely stuff this. I love it so much. It is so beautiful and it's giving like Misbehave vibes. You know how Misbehave is the M, like that's mostly their logo on their bags and their clothes or shoes. I like how Diesel is the D, obviously. And I just love Diesel's entire rebrand. Like, their new rebrand is so nice. Like, why do I want everything? I don't know if it's because social media and all these Instagram bloggers are just styling these Diesel pieces, but something about their rebrand, it's so trendy, it's grunge, it's tomboy, it's Y2K, but it's just like so perfect. I also have the belt that I got from Farfetch. That one is really hard to buy as well. I think there is stock on Essence. I'll link some down below if you guys are interested, but Diesel is all the rage. I feel like it is the brand of 2023. I'm obsessed with all their stuff. I think some of their tops with, like, you know, the hollow D logo, so good. I feel like all K-pop stars are wearing them like for their stage performances. If you guys can get your hand on them, get it. The belt, the bag. There's some really cute Diesel shoes as well. They have these heels that are so cute. Even if it does go out of fashion one day, it'll come back. So if you guys have been eyeing the Diesel bag and want it, but are scared that, you know, it's gonna go out of fashion, I don't know, man, just do it because one day it'll come back in fashion. By that time, the bag will be double the price. So, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of my Diesel bag mini review and 种草视频 for you guys. Don't forget to give this video a like if you guys enjoyed it, and also check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!